morning, BLS.
It's been a whole year since we've seen you guys.
It really has. What's changed, Janelle?
Not a lot. We're seniors now.
God. It's awkward.
Yeah, but welcome to the first episode
of BLSTV.
Season 9.
What's 9 in Spanish?
Nueve. What's
9 in French?
This is season 9 of BLSTV.
I'm excited. Are you excited for this new season?
Yes, we have a whole new cast, whole new president.
Oh my God. Can you guess who it is? Anyways.
All right, so let's just start
What's happening in this episode?
We have a lot of new segments coming up this season. We're just going to have a little taste of what's going to come up. And we also have a new type of series that's going on, but we are not going to reveal that this week. Next week, you guys will see it. Something very special.
I think our first thing is the EC Fair.
Okay,
how did that go?
Let's see how that went.
Jennie.
Tell us how the EC Fair went.
Hey guys, it's BLSTV and today we're going to explore the EC Fair.
Woo!
Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm here with BLSTV. Promote your club.
Hello, this is ECA. We are a club that makes logos, websites, posters for other clubs. In exchange, we get community service hours. It's win-win. Anyone who's interested in design, programming, illustration, to join us, even if you don't join BLSTV.
Guys, join BLSTV! Okay, why should we join BLS Badminton Club?
So we're low commitment, we're very fun. We have a huge community of kids and juniors, sophomores, all alike who want to play badminton. So if you enjoy the sport and you want to hang out with other people like that, just come join our club.
Guys, join BLS Badminton! Woo! Guys, we're here with BLSTV. Why should we join BLS Dance Club?
Because we're so cool and funny, and then we have like cool people like me, and then that's like really good, guys. That's really it, guys. The environment is so fun. I promise you guys. It's low commitment right now, so give it a shot before it's too late.
Learn about K-dramas, you get to listen to K-pop, and the meetings, you don't have to come all the time.
Do we have to be Korean to join this club?
No!
Oh my God! I'm gonna join KCC! Guys, we're here with BLSTV. Why would we join BLS Girls in Sports? Low commitment! Community service hours! It's a really good empowering environment. Ruby and I are officers. That makes it even cooler.
What makes us different from other sports clubs?
It's woman focused. We need a presence in sports as female athletes, and we don't see ourselves having one.
Yes!
This is BLSTV. Why should we join a club?
All right, ready? Picture Pathways is a club. We're also a nonprofit. We have freedom of meeting, and we create and publish and distribute children's books about underrepresented figures in history. It's very exciting. We're working with a manufacturer. We have funding for 500 children's books. And you can get community service hours, like volunteer hours for distributing books around. Very exciting if you like to draw, if you like to write. And we have freedom of meeting. I said that before.
When do you guys meet?
We meet every Tuesday, sometimes every few Tuesdays after school.
Okay, guys, join Picture Pathways.
Thursdays, correction, Thursdays. Go.
Guys, this is BLSTV. Promote your club.
This is BSS. We do events of the year, no commitment. Totally show up. We do a huge festival in February. You have to go. No commitment.
What happens if I'm not Vietnamese?
You don't need to be Vietnamese to go to Vietnamese club. We do everything.
Yeah, you don't have to be Vietnamese.
Totally safe environment. You have to join.
Guys, I guess I gotta join.
Wow, that was great.
That looked pretty good.
If you guys didn't see us at the EC Fair, you can just hit the link in our bio to sign up. You can always join the cast. We're having auditions right now.
We are.
And it's not too late. So if you think you're funny,
interested in BLSTV, are you funny? I mean, we're not funny, but you know, we need some funny
presidents,
people.
so you don't gotta be funny really.
Yeah.
But
we need new anchors too. So if you want to take our job, you can sign up. What else? There was so many people at the EC Fair.
Really?
Like it felt like literally I was getting pushed around the entire time.
I can imagine.
I went outside.
All right, thank you for that. So next up, we have something new to BLSTV this year. A new segment.
Yep.
We have our new BLSTV cooking show.
Welcome to Bangin' BLS Cooking. Today we'll find out two competitors going head to head. We have contestant number 1, coming from the plains of Belgium, Alex Reginald Hugebart, weighing at 167 pounds and standing at a whopping 6'3".
Contestant number 2, Quang Minh Vu, coming from the gated communities of Vietnam, standing at a height of 5'3", his weight unknown. Who will win in this contest of size?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of lost. I've actually never cooked in my life. What are you gonna make?
I don't know.
Then just pick anything. Pick the easiest thing. Honestly, as long as you cook something, you might win. Yo, no. I'm calculating in my head right now.
What are you calculating?
The price.
Wait. Oh, I think I have an idea. I could do this. I could do a skirt steak.
You know, I should be making instant curry, yo. I think that's the best way to beat him. That has to be him, right?
Where's the knife? I need a knife. Big knife for a big boy.
Yo, guys, we are not prepped for this. I still need to wash my hands. This is safe to use, right?
Did you actually wash your hands?
No.
See, this is a good chicken. Tender. Oh my god, the chicken feels nice, bro.
Give me salt. Where's the salt? Salt now. It's so small.
We're very disorganized here at the studio. Yo, not gonna lie, I had no idea what I was doing. Guys, remember not to cut your finger off.
Get a cutting board!
Hey, we're almost done, don't worry.
Bro, Quang keeps taking up the cutting board. I'm gonna fight him.
We need to boil water first. They're 17 and they don't know how to make ramen, guys. Oh my god.
You just lick your...
Okay, should I wash my hands? Guys, the most important thing while in the kitchen is to stay sanitary. What was the point of washing my hands?
We're gonna need to rip the whole thing open.
You missed! I've never cooked ramen before. I got no idea what I'm doing.
Yo, is this good? Yo, this is good, right? I have no idea what I am doing right now.
Good work, bro. Oh, that's a nice sear.
So keep starting.
Oh god, it's all bad. The moment that chicken hit the frying pan, I knew something was wrong.
Oh, that's right. No, wait.
Wait, no, that's
a perfect story.
Nah, but when we plated it, it wasn't raw.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hands off, hands off, hands off, hands off, hands off, hands off.
So for you today, I have a steak with ramen.
Medium rare, perfectly cooked. Steak is perfectly cooked. Bold flavors in the ramen. It's a good dish.
Alright, judges, so today me and my sous chef Ian made you chicken curry. I know it smells weird because the yogurt we used kind of had berries in it, which is a big mistake. We did not account for that.
You can go first. Interesting. It's a bit unusual.
You can taste the berries. After careful consideration, we decided the winner of the first banging BLS cooking show is Adesoro! See you guys next time on Banging BLS Cooking Show!
Okay, I would definitely go for the cake. I don't know what
I think the steamed broccoli was the best.
The steamed broccoli was really
It just
good.
looked so green and luscious and steamy.
Broccoli. All right.
What's the next thing on our agenda? It's
Oh,
same old.
Wait, we have some coverage from the BLS versus BLA football game.
Oh my god, we do.
Let's run that over there.
We're at the BLS versus BLA football game with the Step Squad. I'm here with Amma. And so, at the beginning of the game, how did you feel? And how do you feel now that we're 13-6?
You know, at the beginning of the game, we were doing a little rough. Things were looking a little slow for the BLS team. And, you know, now we're up 13-6. I think we're doing pretty well. I still have hope for us. I think we can win this. I'm not going to get too cocky and jinx us. But I think we got this.
It's our first game. How do you feel about your first football game?
A lot of bad things about the BLS football team, but I don't believe them now because we're winning and we have a good,
Abe, how do you feel?
I feel very happy that we got a touchdown. You know, last game I was feeling really scared. I was like, we're not gonna win because our record last year, she was questionable. But we've been on a good streak, so I'm feeling quite optimistic about this game. Let's go.
Cheer and Step tonight.
Love Step Team, you know, that's my squad. Cheer eating it up as per usual, doing their flips and stuff.
And
Band eating it up as well. You know, they just played Taylor Swift. That was beautiful.
That was not Taylor Swift.
That was Taylor Swift.
Was that? I thought it was Blinding Lights. I hope you enjoy your first game. And we're gonna win the game. Let's go, Wolfpack! Go Wolfpack! Go Wolfpack!
That game
was...
It was amazing.
I
was there.
It was a great game. I heard your stats. Roll the clip.
No. What clip?
I'll find a clip.
It was a nice game. They won too. So proud of our football team. They're actually really good this year.
I know. We're on a roll.
Opinion. Here, that it was going to be blizzards and snowing all week next week.
All week.
So get your winter jackets. Get your umbrellas.
I almost
get your
for a
Uggs.
second,
Oh.
but it's actually going to be 90.
Oh, really? Ooh. Anyways, I think that's it. It's 2:30.
Exactly. How do you know?
Right there. It's 2:30. Oh, no.
Editor here. It got pretty chaotic at the end, so like, I'm here to say bye instead, you know? So, bye BLS!